Hello everyone, it's Mali from Mali's Home Cooking Channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use saffron in the most efficient way without wasting it. Let's start by bringing some water to boil in any type of pot with a lid. Take a small piece of aluminum foil and place a pinch of saffron on it and fold it from all corners. Now place it on top of the lid of the boiling water to infuse the saffron and steam it for 5 minutes. By steaming the saffron, we infuse the flavor and make it crispy enough to crush it easily, even with a spoon. So if you don't have mortar and pestle, you still can make saffron water in no time. I can crush it to powder easily without adding salt or sugar that will change the saffron flavor. Add 1 cup of boiling water and stir till you get aka liquid gold that will develop more flavor and color in the next few minutes. Now it's ready to add it to your favorite dishes like rice, noodle, meat, and more. Second method is less efficient and I'll show you why. Here I'm using half a teaspoon of saffron, which is 3 times more than a pinch like in the first method. Adding the same amount of boiling water, I got a different result. Cloudy water. Saffron threads floating around and it's less appealing when you add it to your dish. Also, it's less potent in color, flavor, or aroma. And it's such a waste, as we all know that saffron is the most expensive spice in the world due to its hard labor and its health benefit. It's high in antioxidant and it's anti-inflammatory, help with PMS, help drive sexual libido, and also aid with weight loss by suppressing food craving. It's well known in the cosmetic industry for anti-aging and also the aroma of the delicate flower used in perfumes. So why are you waiting? Go and get yourself some saffron and enjoy an amazing uplifting spice that will change your dish from simple to an extravagant flavor. Saffron can be stored up to 5 days in the refrigerator.